Hello and welcome to our class. I just wanted to tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Tamad Altıparmakyan. That is an Armenian name if you're wondering. You can call me Professor Altıparmakyan, or you can call me what most of my students refer to me as, which is Professor A. A whole lot easier and easier to type out. I live in Long Beach with my partner, who's also a professor, and our two cats. As you can probably see behind me, I have some sci-fi memorabilia. I'm a bit of a science fiction and fantasy nerd, so if you ever have any recommendations for shows or books or anything in that within those genres, please send them my way. This is a writing course, and writing has been a big part of my life for years. I've been teaching writing over 6 years now, but I've also published some creative writing over the years. In addition to that, I've written for a number of websites covering Star Wars and other fandom-related content. I've also worked as an editor for a few literary journals, and I've also worked as a copywriter for a big corporation. So, if you ever have any questions about any type of writing, I am here to answer them, in addition to any questions you might have about writing in our class. So that's about it for the About Me segment here. I'm very much looking forward to getting to know each of you and starting our semester. Bye.